Welcome to Prosperous Life Finance, where I help educate you in becoming a better trader and investor. Before I start, I want to thank each and every single one of you for surpassing our previous goal, and we are all now on the road to 500 subscribers. So once again, without you guys, this wouldn't be possible, and I hope you guys continue to learn and enjoy the videos and content which I make for all of you. I would like each and every single one of you guys to actually join the Prosperous Life family, and all you simply got to do is just give this video a like, and also subscribe for more content just like this. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about why I'm currently buying Apple stock, and I'm even going to show you guys some trades which I have actually done recently. So we're gonna go ahead and look at Apple stock. So as many of you guys may be aware, Apple just had their 4-to-1 stock split a couple of days ago. Now if you guys remember, Apple stock was trading at around $500 just last week, and right after the stock split, the stock started trading at around $125 or so. So one thing to know is that all a stock split is that essentially you get 4 shares for every 1 share you own if you had Apple before the stock split. So one thing I want you guys to know is that the stock split actually has no actual effect on the company's fundamental. Now what this means is that the stock split does not affect Apple's financial records or earnings or nothing like that. So all the stock split did was essentially cut the price by 4 from its previous price. Now this is actually a great thing due to the fact that many investors that weren't able to buy this stock before are actually able to buy it now, since it is at a relatively cheaper price. So as we can see for the day, Apple is currently down around 3%, even though it is still up from its stock split just a couple of days ago. So this whole video is on the reason why I'm currently buying Apple stock. Now starting right off, here are some of the trades which I have currently done. Now if you guys watched some of my previous videos, I have actually been an Apple investor for a very long time, and I've even said that this is a good stock to buy quite a while ago. So here are some of the trades which I currently just did, and as you can see, I did a few options trades the day of the stock split. As you can see, I bought 2 contracts at $4.65 for a total of $930. Now in case you guys are new to options trading, just know that options are a bit more risky, so that is one thing I want to clear up with you guys. But essentially, you buy a contract, and as you can see, each contract costs $4.65. Now the reason that I paid such a very high price is due to the fact that with each contract you are actually buying 100 shares. So essentially, which means that for one contract you're essentially paying $465. So obviously I bought 2, which did end up as a total of $930. And as you can see, I did buy it on August 31st at around 8:31 a.m., which was at market open. And as I scroll up here on my account, we do see how just within a little less than 2 hours, I did go ahead and sell those contracts for a total of $1,200. So this was just one of the trades which I have done for Apple, which was a short-term play, but a profitable one as well. So we are currently on the Apple website, and we are currently in the investor relations section. Now I actually made a previous video with lots of details on the third quarter results for Apple's quarterly earnings. And just a quick recap, one of the things that stand out to me is how their revenue was up 11% and their earnings per share was up 18% to new June quarter records. So essentially on July 30th, just a couple of months ago, they actually announced their financial results for their third quarter. And as you can see, they posted quarterly revenue of $59.7 billion, which was once again an increase of 11% from the year ago quarter. And they also had quarterly earnings per diluted share of $2.58, which is up 18%. One very incredible thing is how their international sales accounted for 60% of the quarter's revenue. Now, one of the things that stands out to me, which is one of the reasons why I invest in this company, is due to the fact that their previous quarter was driven by double-digit growth in both products and services, and growth in each of their geographic segments. So what does this tell us? Obviously, all their products and services are actually doing very well, and also their growth in different geographic segments. Now, the thing I like about this is that they're able to expand their markets throughout different geographic segments, which is very good due to the fact that they were able to reach lots of new customers and obviously recurring customers. Now you can see their CFO even said that their June quarter performance was strong evidence of Apple's ability to innovate and execute during challenging times. Now once again, during this current global pandemic, lots of the services were actually used for Apple, such as Apple TV and all of their other services, which actually did see growth, which is also another reason why I am investing in this company. I have personally always loved Apple due to their innovative and amazing products for lots of different purposes, such as careers, education, and all sorts of different uses. Now once again, they actually approved the 4-for-1 stock split, which has actually already been in effect as of a couple of days ago. So on the screen, you are looking at the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim trading platform, which is a platform which I like to use to trade alongside with other brokers. So what you're looking at on the screen is Apple stock. Now, as you guys know, in all of my videos, I love to do technical analysis for you guys in order to give you guys a better understanding of how the stock price is doing, how it has done, and what it could do in the near future. So starting right off, in case you guys are new, the only thing you're looking at on the screen here are just technical indicators. All that does is essentially just show previous price movement and also helps you with entry and exit points whenever you are trading. So starting right off, we're currently looking at a 180-day chart of Apple stock. As you can see, during the March lows, it did reach $53.15, and it has actually reached a high high of $138.55. Now, as we can see, within the past few months, the stock has actually been doing phenomenal, which is a reason why I have shares of this company. So just a quick breakdown of all the indicators on the screen. This green line you see right here is a 200-day simple moving average, which essentially just shows the price action and just makes it look a lot smoother in order for you to look at trend and direction. Under that, we have the volume, which is self-explanatory, and under that, we have something called the MACD. Now, all this is essentially these two lines right here, and what these do is actually help you with entry and exit points. Essentially, whenever they intersect, it is either a signal to buy or sell. Now, one thing to know is that all of these are just technical indicators and are not always 100% accurate. That is why, as an investor and trader, you have to perform your own due diligence and research in order to know why you are investing, and always have an entry and exit strategy for every single trade or investment that you have. Under that, we also see the RSI, which is a great indicator and actually helps you see if the stock is currently overvalued or undervalued. If the stock is in the red, it is considered overvalued or overpriced, and if the stock is in the blue, it is considered undervalued or underpriced. So just quickly looking at 180-day chart, as of now, Apple was a bit overpriced not too long ago. As you can see, it did have a little small correction and it did pull back a little bit and is now back at fair valued price. Now, what to know about Apple is that I personally do have long-term positions and also short-term positions in this stock. I personally believe in Apple long-term, which is the reason why I load up on multiple shares. Now, once again, just like today, there are going to be red days, which means the stock is actually going down. But if you are a long-term investor, you don't look at the day-to-day fluctuations, but you rather look at the long-term projection. And also, the trader, you try to find intraday opportunities in order to buy and sell for a profit. So as of right now, I do think Apple stock is still going to continue to go up, but I still think it has a potential to create another pullback since it has risen up so much within the past few months. Now, once again, this is just my opinion. For all we know, Apple stock could continue to rally non-stop until the end of the year or even into next year. But obviously, with the stock market, it does fluctuate, especially during these volatile times. So that is one thing to keep in mind. But once again, I am a long-term investor in Apple, which means that I tend not to look at the day-to-day fluctuations, and I will trade Apple on certain days, depending on the catalyst or why I think the stock is going to go up. So this was a more technical look at Apple. Now, looking at some more information, we do see how Apple's market cap is currently at $2.23 trillion. Now, that is a massive number, and it is one of the most valuable companies there are today. Now, once again, we're looking at a 6-month chart, and just to get an exact percentage, it's actually risen over 129% in only a matter of a few months. Now, once again, I do personally believe in Apple in the long term due to all of their different products and services and how they are actually growing and expanding on a larger global scale, which is great in my opinion since they are able to dominate more of the market and also have lots of different clients in different areas. Now, once again, I want to fully disclose that you should always do your own research and due diligence before investing and trading in any stock. Now, once again, this is just my opinion on why I believe in Apple stock and why I'm a shareholder of this company. Now, I want to go ahead and ask you, what do you think of this company? What do you think of Apple stock? Go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. I would love to know your opinion down in the comments below. So I would love every single one of you guys to also join the Prosperous Life family, as we're currently on the road to 500 subscribers. So if you actually enjoyed this video and learned some new things, go ahead and give this video a like, as it really helps me out. And also go ahead and subscribe for more similar videos like these, for more videos on stock news and tutorials. So thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. God bless you all, and I will see you all within the next video.